So, you wanna play Astra Galaxia? It's really easy and fun. I will show you 7 levels on how you can go from a rookie to a champion. Level 1. Battle. See here, we have Masquerade Lady in attack position and an opponent has Quids in defense position. Now we want to attack with our lady. Look at her stats. Her power is 6 while Quids' armor is 2. 6 is higher than 2, so Masquerade Lady defeats Quids and sends him to the bench. When attacking a defense position enemy, you have to surpass their armor in order to win. In that case, if Quids attacks the defense position lady, it will have no impact because his power does not surpass her armor. Let's examine a different scenario. Look at Quids' rotation now. We strike again with Masquerade Lady, but this time Quids strikes back because he's now placed in attack position. Both strikes happen at the same time. Masquerade Lady defeats Quids because her power 6 is higher than his armor 2, but Quids also defeats our lady because his power 1 is equal or more to her armor, which is also 1. Keep in mind that when attacking an attack position enemy, you have to at least match their armor in order to win. But that was only a small skirmish. Pay attention, because we also have the leaders in play. The leader's health is our life points, and if this drops to 0, we lose the duel. Now, as long as the opponent has defense position characters, we cannot attack their leader. But if Quids, for example, was in attack position, we could ignore him and go straight for the leader Selena with our lady. Then Selena would take 6 damage to her health, but she would also strike back and defeat our Masquerade Lady. Now you get how battle works, right? If so, get ready for the next level, character abilities.